As Mark Twain famously said, if we were meant to talk more than listen, we would have 2 mouths and 1 ear. In this presentation, we'll look at the 5 stages of listening. This is the actual process of listening. Each step builds on the previous, and all the steps are key to the effective listening process. The first stage is receiving. This has to do with our ability to actually hear the sounds coming from the speaker. This can be difficult at a loud bar or a sporting event, for example. The second stage is understanding. Just because we hear the person doesn't necessarily mean we understand them. They could be speaking in a foreign language or with a strong accent, or they may mean the downtown location of a restaurant rather than the uptown location. The third stage is remembering. This is essentially our ability to recall the details of what's been said. This can be difficult if what's being said is highly complex, non-linear, or if we're distracted. The fourth stage is evaluating. It's here where we judge the value of the message. If we're listening with Covey's first 3 levels of listening, we may not even have enough information to evaluate. If we're actively listening, we've probably been looking for examples of our own that relate to the speaker. And if we're using empathic listening, we're truly letting what's been said sink in before entering the 5th stage, which is responding. This is the stage where we indicate our involvement or feedback. The caliber of listening during the 5 stages, along with the level of intention we give the speaker, will determine our quality of listening presence. The good news is that with practice, awareness, and dedication, we can become world-class listeners.